Hi, I'm Conley Potter at AutoBoost. We're excited about this transition for our brand. Traditionally, we've been known by the name Business Actualization throughout the industry. And recently, we've been undergoing a transition for our name. We've applied the name AutoBoost to our services, our package of services for quite some time, but we're excited to be transitioning our name fully to AutoBoost.
When I founded Business Actualization almost 15 years ago, we were more than a marketing agency. We were doing consulting and helping shops, boots on the ground in the shop. AutoBoost better represents the company that we've evolved to be. We're much more than a marketing agency as we've started to pivot to a MarTech company, investing in technology and software development to further implement advanced marketing solutions for our clients. Over the next few months, we'll transition to getautoboost.com. As we kick off 2026, we look forward to growing your automotive repair shop.